Hi guys, we're launching our G strategy program from this week, this Monday. So in case you want to join our crash course for the CAT exam, so please call the numbers. Or you can WhatsApp to attend the demo lecture, or in case you want books, mocks, shortcuts, any of the programs. All the best. Hi guys, so there's the latest news which we are getting from the IIM Ahmedabad that IIM Ahmedabad to release admit card on October 27th on imcat.ac.in, the latest, the same website where the exam is going to, where the form we filled. So October 27th is a date where we come to know when is going to be exam. Fine, it will not include the paper pattern at all, but it will give us an admit card with which we can use to give the exam. Fine, 27th of October, exactly 1 month before the CAT exam at 5 p.m. IIM Ahmedabad announced this on its official website. So I went to check on the site as well. Yes, the date have been updated there. October 27th, the admit card will start beginning at 5 p.m. So that's what they're saying. एक लाइन उसमें और बोला इसने कि this will of course the admit card will also have the information like personal details, venue, timing, rules, and everything will be given to you. Okay, the candidate must keep it safe even after the exam, and it would help them to check the result. Result के काम भी आपके admit card आएगा, तो keep the copy of admit card till the end. Okay, so if we read more about the information about this thing. Okay, so important thing is, if there's a change, candidate must note that in case there's any changes in the above mentioned date and time, it will be updated here on IIMCAT website. On their website, it will be updated there. Once admit card released, the direct link would be made available. Okay, now first of all, sir, why are you making these videos? What is the importance of this video for my studies? I want you to use any information coming on CAT website as a motivation, as a kind of a thrust for you to study more. Of course, there are some students who are self-starter. Find the two kind of bike, self-starter and kickstart. Okay, so those who are kickstart, like people like me, I was a kickstart. Fine, I was never a button start in my life. So for a person like me who is a kickstart, we need all these kind of kicks. Arey, admit card aane wala, shit, padhna chalu karo, let's study more. So use that information, use these kind of events as a motivation. Fine. Second thing is, this is covered by almost every newspaper. Look at this time now, NDTV, TV9, Odisha TV, latestly. If this can be covered by all the newspapers, then why can't we cover it, yaar? It is important, yaar. Okay, so this is it. All the best. Trust me guys, it should not affect you in a negative way. It should affect in a positive way. This is our CAT ka pattern. Fine, 4 sets of RC, that's my expected paper pattern. I made a video on that as well. 4 sets of RC, 2 sets of non-RC, para jumble, para completion, 6 questions. DLR, total 20 marks ka DLR, 5 sets, and arithmetic, modern maths, geometry number, algebra, and time speed, time and work, PNC. Your exam will be based on this. Fine. Paper kaisa bhi hai, number of questions does not matter. On the exam day, what matters is how you can perform in the 40-minute ka time per section. So that should be your focus on. Yeah. So admit card is coming soon, guys. So let's prepare for now. So this month is very crucial for your preparation. October month is very, very crucial for your preparation. All the best.